Here is the most infinite portrait in mathematics. Drawn for the first time on a computer screen by Benoit Mandelbrot in 1980, this single black silhouette hides inside it every shape, every spiral, and every coastline you will ever see. The rule is almost trivial. Take a complex number c, start with z equals 0. Square it, add c, repeat. If the orbit stays bounded forever, the point c belongs to the Mandelbrot set. If it escapes to infinity, it does not. From this single line, an entire universe unfolds. For each c we can also ask the dual question, which starting values z stay bounded under the same map? That set is called the Julia set of C. Mandelbrot and Adrian Doty noticed the dictionary, C lies in the set exactly when the corresponding Julia set is connected. The black continent is therefore an atlas of every possible Julia universe, indexed by a single complex parameter. This is its portrait. A main cardioid, a perfect circle to its left, and a constellation of smaller bulbs trailing along the real line. The boundary, however, is not a curve. It is a curve that doubles back on itself at every scale, and its Hausdorff dimension is exactly 2, as much as the plane itself. Each bulb is not decoration. Inside the main cardioid the iteration converges to a fixed point. Inside the big disk it falls into a cycle of period 2. Above and below sit period 3, period 4, period 5, every rational number you can name has its own bulb. Zoom into the boundary and the structure does not simplify. It blooms. Spirals nest inside spirals. Seahorse valleys give way to elephant valleys, and deep inside, almost where you started, you find a tiny perfect copy of the whole set. The set is self-similar in spirit, but never exactly. Every miniature Mandelbrot is decorated with filaments unique to its address. At the heart of the theory sits one open question. Is the Mandelbrot set locally connected? The MLC conjecture, posed by Doty and Hubbard, would imply that hyperbolic dynamics are dense, that almost every parameter is, in some precise sense, well behaved. After 40 years, it remains unproved. Discovered in 1980. Still mysterious in 2025. The first object that taught us infinity has texture, and that the simplest equation in the world can carry a whole galaxy.